What have you learned from your audience feedback?
When asking for audience feedback, we only presented our media pieces to our target audience, which we found through our audience demographics research is 16 to 35-year-old females.
We presented our media class with Our Chosen Song by Emeli Sandé Lifetime. Our class consisted of 10 females between the ages of 16 to 35, which is our target audience. We decided to make a brainstorm of the ideas that were given by our media class. We asked our media class to write ideas and themes that relate to Our Chosen Song Lifetime. The audience feedback really helped us when storyboarding for our music video, as we asked our target audience to give us ideas of what type of narrative, setting and theme and iconography that they would expect to see in our music video. After completing both our ancillary tasks, we thought that it would be helpful to get audience feedback. We asked 13 females aged between 16 to 35 from our target audience in order to see if there was any areas of improvement and to help us evaluate our production of media pieces.
Overall, the audience feedback was very positive, as most of our respondents said that our ancillary tasks looked good and professional. Other positive comments include the website having a lot of information. This means that the audience have a good understanding of the purpose of the website, which is to give information about the artist or band, whereas the magazine advertisement is designed to attract their target audience. Most of our audience said that the colour scheme throughout both of the ancillary tasks blends together. My partner and I were very pleased with this comment, as we found that it was vital to show continuity for our media pieces. The audience feedback really helped us with ideas how to improve our ancillary task, as most of the audience feedback shows that they think that the website is too dark and therefore we'd have to lighten the background colour. Also, the magazine advertisement, some thought that the writing at the bottom was quite unclear and therefore we might be able to solve this problem by adding a more bright, vibrant colour. Due to audience feedback, we decided to change the background colour of the website, as some found that the colour was dull and dark. We added a green/brown colour that blends with the leaves in the background image, which goes well with the nature-based theme. We tried to make the magazine advertising writing more clear, as some of the target audience found information quite unclear and hard to read. We changed the colour of the word album and made it more big and bold by adding a deep purple colour, which matches the band's name. We also changed the album name's colour to a deep purple colour, as we wanted to make it more clear that the advertisement is for the album and that the album is called Unified Vision.
After creating our second draft for our music video, we asked 10 people from our target audience to write one good and one bad comment. We collected all the opinions and made a mind map showing the negative feedback in purple and the positive feedback in blue. We asked the audience feedback before constructing our final music video in order to make sure that we can get rid of most negative feedback to make sure that we will attract our target audience. We found that the audience feedback was very useful, as we knew which scenes to improve on, such as the concert scene, as the lip singing needs to be improved, as one of the audience found that the lip singing is not in time with the song and makes the music video look unprofessional. The scene with the birds flying was criticised, as some of the target audience believed that the dissolve effect did not go right with the scene and that the scene was too slowed down. The scene showing the squirrel should also be slowed down, as some commented the squirrel was too hard to notice. This means that we would have to slow down the scene. The transition of the wine disappearing as well has also been criticised, as some argued that there should be a smoother effect, as they said that the transition is very jumpy and needs to be smoother. This means that we might have to have another transition, as the wine glass jumps too much. I believe that the audience feedback helped improve my final media pieces, as I did not notice some of the flaws pointed out. When changing my media pieces due to audience feedback, my final work looked more better and more effective.